What's going on, stackers? So, can you make money with print on demand as a beginner? Yes you can, and I'm going to show you how. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, making money as a beginner in print on demand. So we're going to be talking about print on demand books because this is the easiest print on demand that anybody can do and start seeing an income pretty much straight away. So this is called BookBolt. I use this for the analytics of the sales of my books and everything else. Now if we go to here, I started around 10 months ago. So my first month I did $2.46. I was still learning everything and I didn't really have that many books. Then the second month I did, is that right? Let's go back to there. So the second month I did $677.65. Then the third month I did $599, and then it was just a snowball effect from there. So my fourth month, $2,831, and this was all as a beginner. Now this, like I said, is selling print on demand books, and we do that through Amazon KDP. So that's Kindle Direct Publishing. Most people know it as selling Kindle books, but you can sell paperbacks as well. And these books that we sell are called low and no content. So these are books like journals, planners, sketchbooks, literally books with no content in them. We create the interior and then we create the cover as well, and we upload it here through Amazon KDP completely for free. See, the good thing about this business model, if you don't want to, you don't actually have to spend any money doing this. So once you've created your book, you can upload it through here completely for free. Now let's go over to Amazon for a minute. So this is an example of a book, and as you can see, this would be really easy to do. We'd create the cover, or we'd find a funny quote or something, and then we'd create this cover within Canva. Now if you stick around a little bit longer, I'm going to show you how you can get the right dimensions to create your covers, and then I'm going to show you where you can get an interior as well. And like I said, this is all going to be done completely for free. So creating something like this would be extremely easy. I'm guessing that most people watching this could easily create a cover like this. Now if you want more in depth on how to run this business, or how I personally grew my own business to over $1,000 per month within 3 months, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course lays out everything that I did step by step to hit that $1,000 per month mark within 3 months. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So this actually lays out everything that I did in my own low and no content book business. So if you think that selling low and no content books is for you, then make sure to go and check that out. Because I believe that selling print on demand books is one of the easiest POD things that you can do. So it's a lot easier than doing Redbubble, Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon has a tiered system where low content books, or KDP, does not. You can create as many books as you want. Now like I said, you do need to create the cover and you do need to create the interior. Now getting the dimensions perfect for your cover is a little bit tricky, but if you join the Stackers Inner Circle, there is a link down below for this. Come to the videos just here And then this video right here is going to show you exactly how to get the right dimensions for your book, which you then plug into Canva, and then you can create your cover. And then for the interior as well, we do have some in the file section just here, which are completely free. Or you can come over to BookBolt, come here to Resources, go to Interior Wizard, let that load up, and then if we go here, click on that, you're going to see so many different interiors that you can use to create your books. So that just means you can create all different types of books completely for free, create the cover, upload it to Amazon KDP, and hopefully get some sales. So this is what I pretty much did when I first got started. I didn't use these interiors because this wasn't available then. I literally just created my own because they are really simple to create as well. And this is how I got started within print-on-demand books. And that is how I made money as a complete beginner. And now it's been 10 months and I've made over $15,000. Now again, if you want to know exactly how I personally did it, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. It lays out everything that I did to hit that $1,000 mark just within a few months. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go hit subscribe and that little bell icon, and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.